We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Hello, it is me again. Sorry for the inactivity with the videos. I'm gonna try to change that. And I want to apologize first if you hear like sniffling and half crying sounds. I am half crying, or I was, and I'm trying to clear myself up. I haven't been feeling well these days now. Been really low and stuff like that, but hey, I got a letter and now I got really excited. Look at that cute stuff. Look at that, it is so adorable. Okay, so I took away my email or my address and the sender's address because privacy, you know. But let's open this because I can't wait. Okay, oh no, it's taped. It is taped right here. Let's try if I can do it with my finger. Now I need to take my paws off and take this one. So this is kind of like a review of this thing that I got. I am so excited because I know what that is. You don't. I hope I don't cut anything in here. Oh my god, I see something. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared to cut something. Oh my god, it's open. Okay, so now it's open. And I think it's only one thing to do now. Oh! Is all of that? Is it everything? Oh my god, I need my peaky finger to help me out. I should have had peaky fingers on every finger because it's not working. I'll take that later. Okay, I got a red letter. Okay, I got a red letter with my language, so I'm gonna read it off camera, but thank you so much. I'll read it after because me reading is not so fun. Okay, so you can see kind of what it is. Oh my god, it's so much better in person. Oh my heck. Oh my god. Heck. Oh my god. Okay, so this is an artist that I've been following on Instagram for a while now. Their name is Dutchiblue, or known as Casper Cat Studios. You can see a picture here on their Instagram. You should follow them because they're an amazing artist. And I've actually always wanted a piece of art or a badge from them, but like I don't have so good with my economy or stuff. I'm throwing my money at candy and other stuff, so I can't use my money for buying stuff online because I would just buy everything. And yeah, they actually sent me a message and thought that X is such a cool design, and they wanted to try out new watercolors they got, I think. So they wanted to make a badge, and I said of course because I was over the moon. I've always wanted their art. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. Just look at it. Just look at it, guys. Look at it. How cool isn't this? How cool is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so amazing. Like, holy freaking hell. Oh my god. I love it so much. Like, seriously. I love it so much. Oh my heck. Like, you're such an amazing artist. I want to cry now. Oh my god, my baby. Just look at it. How cool isn't that, guys? Okay, you need to follow this person because they're amazing, and you should follow them because I love them as well, because they're so sweet in person and they're just amazing and talented. Oh my god, there's nothing wrong with this. It is just perfect, seriously. And hey guys, you should follow them because they actually take commissions. If you want a piece like this, you should check them out. They are so talented and amazing. Oh my god, I'm flipping out. Seriously, you should check them out because they are amazing. Like, I'm gonna have this on NFC now. I flipping love this. So cool. Like, seriously, go and follow them. Like their stuff, buy stuff from them. Just spoil them. Spoil them with good money. They're such an amazing artist. Love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got it! I can't stop looking at it. But anyway, that was all for today. Yeah, it was a small review. I love it. There's nothing wrong with it. Just keep on doing what you're doing. And you can always improve and get better. I love your art. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you later. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you later. Bye!
I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes.